Let us discuss about the COVID-19 cases in India. Even with the overall numbers remain very low and the rise has been gradual, India recorded a 22% hike in COVID cases in the past week as opposed to the week before that. India's tally in the past 24 hours recorded 636 cases with 2 deaths reported from Kerala and 1 from Tamil Nadu. However, the low numbers can be attributed to the sparse testing and a large number of cases remaining mild. As per the data, surge in the JN.1 driven cases is spreading across the nation, and that the infection that was first detected in Kerala may have already peaked in the state, with the state lodging the highest cases in the current phase. Now, India reported 4,394 cases till December 31st. The last day of 2023 reported the highest daily tally with 841 cases, which is the highest since May this year. Now, meanwhile, Kerala has witnessed a 24% decline from the previous week. The state recorded less than 50% of all cases recorded in India, whereas the last week's share of the state was nearly 80%. While cases are on a decline in Kerala, Maharashtra recorded 723 cases in December 2023 with 21 cases of the JN.1 variant. The state recorded 131 cases within the last 24 hours. Now, if we talk about Karnataka, there are also a rise in the number of positive cases. These are, of course, not only the states apart from Kerala where the daily count has in fact topped 100. Ishika is joining us live on the broadcast. Ishika, give us an update that you're gathering in terms of the measures and the preparations, I beg your pardon, that have been taken in terms of the rising in the COVID cases and the JN.1 variant that was in fact causing the worry.
Well, Priyanka, as you rightly mentioned, there has been a surge in the number of COVID cases. If we talk about the last 24 hours, then 636 new cases have been reported from across the country. And right now, the tally of the active COVID cases stands at around 4,394. In fact, if we talk about the national capital, 10 new cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. Now, if we talk about the government, then both the union government and the state government are on alert. If we talk about, in fact, Delhi, then Saurabh Bhardwaj, the health minister here, he continues to say that the preparations are already being done by the hospitals. There are only 6 beds that are occupied by the COVID-19 patients in the hospitals together in the national capital. So he says that as compared to the other states, the number here is very low here. Thus, there is nothing to panic here to the residents. But certainly, he also emphasizes on the fact that the people themselves also need to be responsible enough that as the cases rise, they should start taking the preventive measures like, simple measures like hand hygiene and wearing a mask. And that is the same thing that even the experts also specify on. Over to you.
Okay.